That's me, and I'm in Russia, in Saint Petersburg, at home. But let's start from the beginning. From the very beginning.
Hi guys, I'm Kate, and today I'm going back home, back to Russia. For the last year and a half I've been living in Montenegro, and I haven't been at home since last November. The thing is that I have a little brother who has a birthday at 19th of November, and I decided to surprise him as well as my whole family, because no one knows that I'm arriving in a few days. I can't wait for it. And yeah, while here is plus 15 degrees Celsius, in St. Petersburg it's about -5. So I have to try to get ready for those temperatures. Let's go.
Part 1. How to get to Russia.
So I had two options. The first was to buy a super expensive ticket for about 1,000 euros, and the second, to save a little money in exchange for my time. So I took my tickets for 400 euros, but there is a small problem. It will take me 4 days to get from Montenegro to St. Petersburg. It's time to go.
My trip started with a 3-hour bus to the Montenegrin capital with an airport. One overnight stay in my friend's apartment later.
Hanging out with my friend?
I had my flight to Belgrade.
Three hours later.
After waiting, I ended up in the plane going to Istanbul, where I spent 2 more days because my Russian airline delayed the flight for 24 hours. Oh my god, I was completely mad, but went to explore the new city. What else could I do in the end?
Going back to the airport.
2 days later, I was in the airport again, and finally got my flight to Moscow. Moskva. balalaika! Ha 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 ha. And later that day, I had an overnight train ride to my hometown, to Saint Petersburg. It's too cold. Привет! And that's how I ended up here. Part 2: Meetings and Surprises. During this big small adventure, I've met a lot of my old and new friends.
Привет! Чё, надо говорить что-то?
Нет. And of course, I couldn't wait to finally see my family. And I went to make a huge surprise to them.
Следующая станция Невская.
It's too cold for me now. I'm frozen. And I'm going home. I can't wait to see my mom. I can see her car. She's at home. My hands are shaking.
Ты откуда это взялся? Пришла. Надо же. Дорого же ехать. Я думала, ты не приедешь.
Hello! From Montenegro.
From Montenegro.
And Serbia and Turkey and Moscow.
Где еще ты побывал? По пути.
Пока все.
Привет! Ой, ты мой привет!
Part 3: Birthday Party. It's time to receive presents, my little bro. He's got a lot of them this year.
О!
Ура!
Молодец, ура!
Ура! С днем рождения!
This week was filled with emotions,
С днем рождения, котик! Спасибо!
smiles,
По синему морю к зеленой земле плыву я на белом своем корабле.
kindness, great surprises, and the goodies. But unfortunately, nothing lasts forever, and I had to return back to Montenegro. And all I can say in the end is goodbye. Appreciate your family and the people you love.